If you are not good at everything, do not be disappointed. There are many students who are good in maths, some are good in science, and there are others who are good at maths. But there is a desire in every student's heart to excel in maths, and this video is dedicated to all you such students who want to do their best in this subject. Do watch my videos to improve this your score in maths. Today I'm going to teach you circle. What is a circle, how you can find the area and the circumference of the circle. Before we proceed to the sum of this chapter, I would like to give you a brief analysis of what the terms related with this chapter are. The first term that we'll talk about is center. Now, as you can see on the screen, there is a dot. Now, when you draw a circle, definitely you must have drawn a circle either with your mom's bangle, but in geometry, we often use a compass to draw the circle. So the point at which the needle rests in order to draw the circle, that is called the center. And if you draw any line from the center of the circle touching the circumference, that line is called the radius of the circle. And remember, there can be infinite radius in a circle, and the radius is always the same. So suppose we have this circle where the radius is 3 centimeter. Okay, now if you are supposed to find the area of the circle, how we will find the area? Let's proceed with the sum. Area, the formula is 2 into pi into r, 2 pi r. If you have not done this circle chapter yet, you may not be aware of what this pi is. The value of pi is taken to be 22 by 7. So when we write area is not, I'm sorry children, area is actually pi r square. Area is pi r square. By mistake I told you area is 2 pi r. Area is pi r square and circumference of the circle is 2 pi r. So since we are finding the area, I have to write area equal to pi r square. And if you have been my follower watching my videos, all my previous videos, by now you must have understood that when I do the sum on the screen, I advise my students to take a pen and paper and sit in front of the screen and solve it along with me. So I hope you all are doing that. No cheating. So pi I will write 22 by 7 into r square. Now r, I guess it's not very clear, this r, but you must understand it's actually r square, where whichever way you write the small alphabet r, ir square. Now I think this is clearer. So instead of pi I will write 22 by 7 quickly, and instead of r I will write the substitute of value that is given on the screen, that is 3 into 3, that is 9. And remember, pi is 22 by 7, so 22 by 7 into 3 into 3. This is done. I will multiply all the numerator and divided by the denominator. That is very simple. So 3 into 3, that is 9. 22 into 9, 198 divided by 7. So 198 by 7, again you divide it by 7, 7 2s are 14, you have the remainder 5, 5 goes that just beside 8, it becomes 58, 7 8s are 56, 28, then I'll put a point, 2 is remaining, 2 will go that side, 7 2s are 14, 6 will remaining, 6 is remaining, 7 2s are 14, then you have 5 here, I will write 2, so it becomes, the next number becomes 58, so 7 8s are 56, now 2 is remaining. Okay, you can write in the fraction form also, so 28 2 by 7, or you can write your answer in the decimal form, whichever you like. So, and the unit, remember children, if the area is given in centimeter, the radius is given in centimeter, the answer will always have centimeter square as the unit of the area. Remember, do not make mistake. 28 2 by 7 centimeter square. Okay, coming to circumference of this circle. Now this circle chapter, this is the first video on this chapter, and I hope you guys will like this. I have made it very simple for you to understand, and I am elaborating on each and every term to make you understand very nicely. Do watch my videos on other chapters as well to improve, to bring a remarkable improvement in your math subject. And I hope you guys will like my videos, and if you do like my videos, please do not forget to hit the like button and do subscribe my channel. I will keep coming up with more such videos to help you out. So circumference is equal to 2 pi r. 2 pi r. Now pi is 2 into 2 by 7. So I will write 2 pi r. And then in the next line, I hope you are doing faster than me. And I'm so glad. 2 into 22 by 7 into the value of r is the radius, that is in 3. So 2 into 22 by 7 into 3. This is my answer. I have to solve it. So 3 2s are 6, 3 2s are 6, 66 into 2. 132, I guess. By 7. So this is the answer of circumference, and in case of circumference the unit will be only centimeter if it is given in centimeter. So you have 7 ones are 7. So this is very simple. I'm leaving it up to you guys to either write your answer in mixed fraction or you can write the decimal. That is not an issue. What the main thing is that you have to understand, if you are asked to find the area of the circle, you will always write the formula pi r square, and if you have to find the circumference of the circle, it is always 2 pi r. Hope you enjoyed this video. Very simple video for beginners. Must concentrate on this, and any query, let your queries be sorted out at the earliest. I hope you will keep giving your love and support as you have been giving me, and my channel cannot be successful without your love and support. So keep sharing it with your friends. Do subscribe my channel, like my videos, and yes, I would again request you to please write in the comment section what keeps you away from maths. Till then, have a nice day and stay safe.